Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a really exciting video. Today I'm going to be decorating for autumn. So even though it's not officially autumn just yet, the weather is changing and I can feel that winter bitter cold creeping in. So I thought, you know what, let's just go with it and let's just decorate for autumn. Why not? This is most likely going to be a vlog style video as I have to run to TK Maxx to pick up a few last minute bits before I decorate. And then I also might pop into Poundland and see if they have any little bits that I can pick up as well. So yes, I'll take you guys with me and we can do some shopping and decorating, all things autumn.
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss.
I literally just got through my front door, but why did outside give me summer vibes? I'm about to start decorating for autumn and all of a sudden the sun's come out, it's lovely. I feel like I may have even caught a tan. It's giving summer all over again, so I honestly don't know what to say, but I'm going to proceed. But first I'll just show you some of the bits that I picked up. I actually got a lot more than I thought I would get. From TK Maxx, I didn't do too bad. I didn't pick up too many things. I got a blanket. I didn't want to get a blanket, I wanted to get pillowcases. I didn't have any pillowcases, just pillows. And I almost bought 2 pillows just for the sake of buying it and got to the till and was like, I don't want them. So I remembered I do actually have a pillowcase for a smaller centerpiece cushion. So I'm just gonna have to use that. Sorry, I've been saying pillowcases, I mean cushion covers. And then the next thing is I'll get this really random item out of the way, but I picked up some chili oil. I have 2 more things from TK Maxx. Got these kitchen towels. This one is very autumnal. Pumpkins, acorns, leaves, and then this one is just all green. And this one I absolutely love. It's autumn themed, but it's also got Snoopy and Charlie Brown on. How cute is that? So that's all I got from TK Maxx. And then Poundland, I picked up more than I thought I would from Poundland. But if you're on a budget and you want to decorate for autumn, but you don't want to spend too much, I definitely would suggest going to Poundland because they had a lot of reasonable deals on some really cute pieces. So I got this cute little pump for my coffee syrup that I'll put on my coffee stand. And then I picked up 2 of these little mushrooms. And I think these are like £1 each. And then I got some ice cube molds in the shape of pumpkins. Some more little mushrooms in a pack. These are wooden. And then I got some more mushrooms. These ones are ceramic. And again, honestly, everything is like £1.50 to £2. I think the most expensive thing is this candle, which smells, oh, it smells delicious. It smells like pumpkin spice. This was £2.50, so that's the most expensive thing. And that's that. Really cute. And then the last thing I picked up is Combears in barbecue. Cannot forget that I got a maple hazel latte from Costa with oat milk and vegan whipped cream. Everything is pretty much plain, as you can see. Not much going on over there. The fireplace. Pretty plain. Over here, looks like a jungle. Sofa, the actual coffee table. Oh my goodness, I'm working up quite a sweat getting all of these bits out. I think I still have some autumn decor in one of the other cupboards. I'm gonna have to ask Tash to go into that cupboard and help me get those things out. I think I actually got rid of quite a bit of autumn decor, more than I thought actually. So I'm so glad that I replenished my autumn collection because I would have nothing to decorate with, which cannot work. So yeah, let me show you all the bits that I've got out.
wish I knew.
Okay, so up here on this shelf I have this DW Which Spells candle that I've had since past year, and it still has a little life in it. And then I have this knitted pumpkin. I have this glass mushroom with pampas grass. And then let me just move this over because I don't want any hazards. I have another orange candle burning here. On this shelf I have another knitted pumpkin, a felt velour pumpkin, and then a mushroom at the top. I have a candle owl, which I've never burnt and don't intend on ever burning. And then I have this mushroom, and then another candle that I don't think I'll ever burn. Down here on this stall I have two pumpkins. This is another velour pumpkin, and then I have the ceramic one. I absolutely love this piece. I'm so glad that I bought it from Home Bargains. Really love that, and so happy I picked that up. Another ceramic pumpkin, and then this autumn spice candle that I'm burning, and then just some matchsticks. Over here I have this blanket which I'm not 100% sure I love, but I wanted something. As I couldn't find any cushion covers, I thought I would get this instead. Over on the sofa I have this cushion. I got this cushion a while ago, and then every year for different seasons I just kind of switch the case, and this is really nice. It's kind of like a spider web, really soft. And then I have this cushion pumpkin, again another fave. Really love this. I got this recently. Over here I have an empty pumpkin candle. This lasted honestly like 2 years, but it's finally finished, so I put some lights in. And then this is a new candle that I picked up, again in the shape of a pumpkin. And up here on this shelf I just have a room spray, and then of course these plants are still here. Over here I have what's left of a candle burning, again another pumpkin shape. And then over here I have the mushroom, and then another pumpkin shaped candle burning, and then a little ceramic mushroom as well. And then over here I have my hot water bottle in the shape of a bat. We decided to make the viral apple pastry ring, and honestly guys, it was amazing. I did film the process, so make sure you're subscribed as I'll be posting a short in a couple of days on exactly how to make it.